Okay, I've got curly hair, and sometimes for whatever reason, whether it be humidity or dry air, or just randomness, the top of my hair falls flat, while the rest is, curly wavy. So I got this hair waver from Novus. It's an ionic hair waver. It's kind of like those old style crimpers, but it's just 2 barrels, and it just waves your hair. So I'm going to try it. It comes with a glove. I don't know if I need that or not, but I'm just gonna see what we got here. Also, it has an on-off here, and then it's got plus and minus, so you can change the temperature. Well, it did put a little bend in it. Well, let's just see. A little bit of a bend. I think depending on the length of your hair, you can like get a waver that has, a smaller barrel or a larger barrel. I'm trying to just kind of do random pieces because my hair is pretty chaotic normally. It definitely puts a bend in it. It was very flat before. I'm going to try to just go into some pieces here to kind of blend it into like the regular curl pattern. It's definitely not as flat. And my hair isn't like, well, it's got kind of an irregular curl pattern. Like underneath is pretty coily, but on top is maybe curly wavy. So yeah, it kind of, I still have to like style it, but it definitely puts a little bend in your hair. If you have really long hair, it would probably produce nice beachy waves. So let's see. This is just kind of what I do. Again, I embrace the chaos. And I like big hair. I like volume, I should say. This stuff is great too. My favorite hairspray. So I put a lot in. And I mean, look at that. That's crazy, right? But then I scrunch it. I kind of just scrunch it into shape. Well, it definitely gave me volume up top. So if you're looking for just a little bit of a wave, a little bit of a bend in your hair, and I'm sure that if you had longer hair, you could go all the way down and give you that nice beachy wave. But this sort of rescued my hair today because for some reason it's just falling flat on me. And I like the little flippies on the side. I just kind of fold those in. It's going to fall a little bit as the day goes on, but that's okay. Again, I like chaos. So yeah, it's pretty easy to use. It's got, oh, yep, it's got a lock here. Well, oh yeah, you really got to push it. So now it's locked closed, which is nice for travel. And it's got a big long cord. with a cord wrap, which is nice. So yeah, and then I'm just going to turn it off. And it says off on there. So we're good to go. Now my OCD won't kick in because I've got it on film that I turned it off. It's like my 80s band hair.